subscriber, this is what 65 million can get you by VGC in the access of Lekki, Lagos State, Nigeria. So I'm on Aris Drive today and I want to tell you to this estate called the Sunrise Court. It's 4-bedroom, terrace, duplex with, and I want to show you one of the units to see what 65 million can get you in the access of VGC. This place is sharing boundary with Victoria Garden City. This is not inside VGC. And this 4-bedroom terrace, you can get it for 65 million naira. The title is governor's consent and is a fully serviced estate with uniform security, swimming pool, 247 power supply, road interlocked, every other thing you're looking for. If you have 65 million naira, this is what you can get. This is the swimming pool. So you can come out so you can enjoy this. Staying in this estate will give you access to the swimming pool. Also, the security is top-notch here. And if you notice this place very well, so here we have only 10 units available. You can decide to buy to rent out, and you can decide to buy to live in this place. So this place is habitable. People are already living in this place. And let's quickly show you what it is to have 24/7 light here. So look at it. Imagine you are here at night. You see how beautiful this place is, this estate. Top notch. The security is top notch. You can't just batch into this estate. So this is going for 65 million naira by Victoria Garden City in the access of Lekki, Lagos. I'm going to show you this unit, and you see you have two car park here, park here in front of the house, and this is 4-bedroom. So let's check. So here we have the living room. You see, we have the living room, and don't forget we have dogs. So this is the visitor's toilet here. So here we have the kitchen is here. This is the kitchen. It's fully fitted kitchen with gas stove, the heat extractor, oven, and the microwave. So see what we have here. This is 65 million naira. And you come to the back here. So you want to put your lines. This is where you can put your line. Everything is being demarcated. So let's go in. So there is a room downstairs here. So this is the room. Check it out. You can see with the wardrobe and also with the toilet and the bathroom. So see the wardrobe. So this is it. The toilet and the bathroom. So exactly. Let me show you up here. Let me quickly show you that. So we're going upstairs now. So this is going for 65 million naira in the access of Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So this is it. This is it. Here we have the chandelier. Here also we have the lounge here. So we can actually put chair here and the TV. So you can see how this is it. So here too, this is the master bedroom, the primary room. So check it out. This is going for 65 million naira. We have have the wardrobe here. Check it out, and also we have the toilets and the bathroom here. So come and check this one out. So this is toilets and the bathroom. So the bathroom is there. So check this. So this is the bathroom. So these are the labels, Alright, let me go and show you the other room. So this is the first room upstairs. Don't forget we have a room downstairs. So this is another room here. And this is the wardrobe. And we have the toilet and the bathroom here. So you understand what I'm saying now. And the last room is there. This is the 5 million naira. The access of Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So check it out. We have the wardrobe. We have also the toilet and the bathroom. All room and suites. And all rooms come with the water heater. So this is 65 million naira house. We have 10 units available. So you can decide to buy not only one, you can decide to buy 2 or 3. You rent it out for good return on investment. So this is the best time to invest here. This is 4 bedrooms, fully serviced, 24/7 security, 24/7 power supply. You can see that there is no dangling wire. The road is interlocked, the driveway is interlocked. This is fantastic, and this is close to the regional road. So when the Lagos State finish the regional road, you don't need to go to Lekki Expressway. You can just navigate your way from here to Lekki Phase 1. So this is the best time to invest in this. 65 million naira. The title is Governor's Consent. My name is Olashile David. What I know best is to help you create wealth through real estate. I usually smile when I want to say that, yes, because you cannot deduct real estate from all your financial planning. You just need to invest in real estate, and this is the best time. So you guys always there. Call my number now. Let me take you from inspection, either virtually or physically. I'll be expecting your call. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your bell notification. Comment, like, share to your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always watching my video. I love you. My number is showing on the screen. Call me right away. I'll be expecting your call. See you in my next